Okay. Do you like this? Or yeah, maybe better this one. Change background. Let's try with this. Okay. Today I want to come back to my Laravel project, and I want to share, first of all, I want to share my screen. Okay, we can start now, and the project is about audio recording project. So we have a bit of refactoring to do. Now I will share my screen. If you see my screen, yeah, okay, it's available here. Okay, so we can start with a timer. 45 minutes timer. Okay, I can start. I remind you that every session lasts at least 45 minutes. So I start the first session, and after I will do 15-minute pause, 15-minute break, and so on, and the other 45 minutes. So it's like Pomodoro techniques, but with longer extended times. So starts with 45. I put it on the right. Okay. Now here I am on the project. My project is Laravel based, so we are on PHP programming language. So I want to improve my enums like some days ago. Here I want just to test this URL, this recording that is here. After a bit of refactory or iterations, I improved these enums with just the bare necessary for go on in a straight way. So here we are. This first file, it's store recording request. It's an API request, so I want to call this API. So I want to go to this file, that is the file that manages all the sessions, all the how can I say, all the routes, sorry. So we go to a file called routes web.php, and we need to see if we have declared this store recording request. So we will test these rules. So I don't find anywhere in the code. I can also ask how to test this way. So I asked how can I try to fix or to see and to test this rule? Now I make an error here, so the error is that my mistake is that I wrote something on an old chat, so I need to start again, a new chat. So I started just a new chat with this file, the right one, that is store recording request, and ask from here, not from the old chat that can invalidate your request because it can the it's not a whiteboard, so you need to start from scratch. So it's searching for the route controller. I don't think there is a route controller file. Route, maybe an API. Yes. Well, we have already searched everywhere and didn't find anywhere. So it's under API recording. I want to test with this tool. Here the tool. Here is my tool, new collection. I don't think it will work because I'm not authenticated. So I close this tab and don't save, but I start a new session here and try if it's work with a post. Yeah, this is the result. I think it's saying that is I'm not logged in. So I run all the collection, this collection here. So now I am connected. So yeah, try again. I need also authentication. But I don't know, maybe I can remove this, delete, and create another one, duplicate this one. So in this duplicated, I want to put the real recording. Let's try with this. Okay, unauthenticated. Okay, I don't know why it's not authenticated, but at least it responds with some JSON and not an HTML. Maybe I need to run all over again. So run again another time. So here there is written on that this is a route with API.php 7.8 recordings. Yes, and there is a recording controller. I want to see this recording controller. I don't think, yeah, it's another, okay. To quickly test without a connection to, without a layer middleware with authentication, I put outside this route and run this post route recording outside of this function. So we call directly recording controller without an authentication. So start again. It's not analyze audio, but it's API recordings. Yeah. Write message. I like this message recording. File audio is mandatory, so it's required. Yes, this is the message that's come from my API. So maybe we need to put messages, recording mime. Okay, it's great. It's great because if I well understand, if for example, it's a match. It's not a match, but it's a mapping with rules and messages of the rules. So the rules is this one: required, file, mimes, and max. So now the first one is that it's required. So I want to see if there is some in the recording linked to required. No. I want to better understand these rules. Because now it's easy to understand that this message is linked to the rules. So there is a mapping with recording required and this required. So this one and the up above rule. But it's not easy to understand where is defined this required, when this rule gets fired or not. Required. When you write required, Laravel call immediately internally the validate request method. Validate file, when you write file, the same happened with validate file. And when you write max, it's calling validate max. Okay, it's a validator inside Laravel Illuminate. Okay, so all the rules are coming from the framework. So now we have these mimes. I want to understand if MIMES also it's come from this Illuminate validation. So in this way, I want to understand if I create a custom rules or if there are some rules that doesn't exist. What's happened? Okay. So now I have some. I want to return some. No. I want to see what is returning here. So if I return this, what is happening? Okay, I comment out these sections. So okay, we have an error. We have an error, and yes, I would like to test this one. What is going outside here, but is not easy. Maybe we can put inside a breakpoint. So let's start with a breakpoint. It's not difficult. I put a breakpoint here. I run with here the listen for Xdebug. I run it. Already news. What there is on the same port? I don't know. It's impossible. Other tools on the same port. I don't know what tools are. I can close here. Also here. Already news is impossible, but I can run it again. Okay, this is a little problem. I want to find the tool of the tool that is using the same port. Let's see if this tool, this application can find okay, this tool is we hope that I can find the port, the used port. Okay, we have the list of application, the processes. Yeah, here. I don't find the port. I don't find anything in this. Okay, that's using 9002 ports. That's one. I don't find it. So let's try another time, another way. It's a command in the terminal. I open a new terminal. I write with search 9002 port. Is the 9200 port? It's not the 2 but 3, 9003. Okay, this happened the same. So the command is unknown protocol name. So yes, I don't know how to understand to read this message. Let's see if AI can help us. Okay, I forgot this. Yes, now we have the list of the program that's running. It's PHP 8. Okay, maybe I'm running 2 times the same tool. I don't know. So I close code. Yes, I want to restart again the code editor, and maybe also this one, that is our PHP. Maybe they need a little restart. So maybe I have other, yes, other active session. Okay, open again our project and run the debugger. So yeah, breakpoint, keep in memory here. So other, okay, I don't want for now other breakpoints. So I want only this one, not this. This, okay, is not right. Recording controller is not this. Is this one. This is my breakpoint. So let's start again. Close this one and let's start again the PHP API call. So it's running. Okay, now it's I forgot one thing, that is heard, the local environment, that it's required to start the project. Okay, now that's everything started, my local environment started, and the breakpoints is getting the program stopped inside when I find this breakpoint. So now I can play a bit around with this one. I am in the live terminal, so, or this debug console. So if I write something here, it's like execute the code at the time the debugger is stopped. So now in this time, what there is inside audio type processable extensions, an error, not found. I don't know, but if I do this one, where I am now, this, okay, now I'm in the right controller. So this is a reference to be store recording request. Okay. So audio type, okay, needs to have the complete the import. So maybe this one can help. Okay, so doesn't like also this, so we can run in this way. Okay. Okay, processable extension. So we have MP3 and WAV. Where are these? If you want to see it, I can show you here. This is my enum here, audio type, and we have the processable extension, the array map that finds the processable here. Okay. So, okay, where we are here. Mimes, yeah, we need to implode this one. Let's see what Mimes needs. Illuminate mime type. Okay. This is an old version. Let's see I didn't know this. A bit old. This the first time I find something old on Laravel on an interface. Okay, mime. One second, I want to be sure I'm on the right docs. So Laravel API docs, where I find maybe that's the one, yeah. Okay, get mime types. This is not the right place, maybe. Okay, maybe it's this validation. I don't find it. Hope this is the right one to write. Okay, it's saying that it's Laravel under the hood has Symfony that reads the MIME type database standard, YANA database standard. Okay, MP3 wave ACC odds. So I have to put this on a comma. So I don't I don't like this implode. I would like to something more something from the platform maybe. Maybe the framework can give us some help here. Oh, this is nice one. To use a rule, illuminate validation rules. So here I include the rules and rule mimes. Let's see if I prefer this. This is the thing that I that I like from a framework. So let's start again everything. Make another time the request. And now it doesn't work. So it doesn't exist this rule, it seems. Let's try this, but I don't know if the right solution for us. This is the problem of AI now, that sometimes, especially with newer solution, it has some problems. It's find okay. Let's try another time. Okay, maybe we are going on. Let's see what's happened if we make this another time. Okay, now it seems to work with file types. Let's see if the right solution. I'm not sure. Let's ask to the other tool. Because I see that it's the same here. Okay, great. We can remove some rules. I want to ask if also the messages are necessary or not. Maybe not, maybe yes. Yeah. Okay, I can remove this one. Okay, I keep max and mimes because these rules continue to use these messages. And now I want to understand if can I avoid this line, so if there is some cleaner way to use this way, to use this audio type processable extension. So I avoid to write this messy code for 3 informations. Okay, it doesn't help. Maybe with a label. Maybe with a label. Okay, now my Copilot is writing on the enums file, audio type file, the solution. Okay, make some docs call to make some, to get some information from the docs, from the documentation. I don't want this text, but it's okay. Okay. this label, okay. So now the comment, the code is clear, it's clean, because it's saying, okay, now the only format is this one. I make this call to process extension label and go straight to this and print this solution for labels. I want to see if there are other MP3 or similar static declaration like this. I think this one it's okay. Maybe I could use the enums here, but I think it's something that can make some only repetitions, or it's a useless wrapper on this call. This inside the node modules or storage. This is on the test or vendor. So we have MP3 in here in this situation. I think that is not a good solution. Doesn't change anything. Maybe I could check for different extension. For example, put all the processable extension here. Yeah, I'm seeing that for now the time of our session is ending. So for now, I want to close this streaming. See if there are some connection. Okay. So for now, I close this streaming, and yep, the next session will go on with this to solve these problems and to make some refactoring of the project. Yeah.